In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive chat in WhatsApp Web. If you've hidden a conversation by archiving it and now want to bring it back into your main chat list, don't worry. The process is very quick and simple once you know where to look. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your chats in WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're already signed in and viewing the main chat screen in your browser. This is the page where all of your conversations appear. If you have archived any chats before, you'll need to access your chat area first so you can locate the archive section and manage those conversations properly. Once you're on the chat screen, look toward the right side and find the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional options and settings related to your conversations. The icon is small, so take a second to scan the interface carefully if you don't see it right away. On WhatsApp Web, many useful actions are grouped inside this menu, which is why it's the next place you need to click. After you click the three dots, a small menu will appear with different options. From that list, click on Unarchived. This action will restore the archived chat so it becomes active again in your regular chat list. Once it's unarchived, you should be able to find the conversation back with your other visible chats, making it easier to access whenever you need it. If the chat doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to refresh visually or check your main chat list again. In most cases, the conversation returns right away. This is especially helpful if you archived a chat by accident or if you're revisiting an older conversation that you now need quick access to. And that's all there is to it. Open your chats, click the three dots on the right side and select Unarchived. It only takes a few seconds, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat anytime you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.